Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this channel, Adults ESL Online Learning. I'm Dr. Hernandez Smith. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Ventures Online Digital Workbook. This is Lesson B, Present Perfect Continuous. We are looking at Unit 8, Lesson B, Exercise 3. Complete the questions and answers with the present perfect continuous. Alicia and Claire started painting the house at 11 a.m. It is now 11:30 a.m. A. How long have Alicia and Claire been painting the house? B. Since 11 a.m. for 30 minutes. Inez started cooking at 4 p.m. It is now 6 p.m. A. How long has Inez been cooking? Since 4 p.m. for 2 hours. A. How long has Inez been cooking? B. Since 4 p.m. for 2 hours. Tony and Leon started studying computers on June 1st. Today is July 1st. A. How long have Tony and Leon been studying computers? Since June 1st. B. Since June 1st. For 1 month. A. How long have Tony and Leon been studying computers? B. Since June 1st. For 1 month. Yoshi started working in the hotel on Tuesday, 5 days ago. A. How long has Yoshi been working? B. Since for 5 days. A. How long has Yoshi been working in the hotel? B. Since Tuesday. For 5 days. I started using a computer in August. It is now November. A. How long have you been using a computer? B. Since August. For 3 months. A. How long have you been using a computer? B. Since August. For 3 months. Lenka started driving this morning at 10 a.m. It is now 1 p.m. A. How long has Lenka been driving? Since 10 a.m. for 3 hours. Juan started attending this school 3 weeks ago. It is now February 5th. How long has Juan been attending this school? Since January, for 3 weeks. And let's check our answers to make sure we answered everything. Great. 18. Amazing. You scored 18 out of 18. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this video gave you practice with the present perfect continuous, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.